What's up, guys? Extreme Garage Part 3, 62 Oldsmobile F85 230 all aluminum block. Hey, when we left off on this, we were going to try and get it running. I put the shift rod on, I welded a piece in, I threaded it. So now I have probably 1.5 inches of adjustment to get the transmission to shift into third gear. So then, once I finished the carburetor, I went to start it up. After I put the shift rod back on, ran fine for like a minute or two, then it shuts off. I'm like, what's going on? I look at it, I got gas, no problem. Check the spark, it's got spark, but it's weak. So then I went back, because it's a point system, I went back and checked 12 volt positive. And then I checked the negative side to make sure it was pulsing. And I had a pulse, but I had a weak spark at the spark plug. So I pulled the cap, looked inside, I couldn't really see the points. Okay, so this set of points right here, the condenser is in the way of you seeing the open and close of the point. So I looked it up. And from what I can tell is someone put this isn't the right thing for the car. Someone stuffed this in here. So I switched it. I put a standard set of points in there, which comes with a much bigger, where the points contact, and it's real nice, heavy duty. So then I put the condenser back on the other side of the distributor so I could dial it in with the feeler gauge. So now we're ready to run. I already fired it up once. It sounds real good, but I'm going to fire it up so you get to hear what it sounds like. And again, make sure you always get the better set of points. Check to make sure it's OEM so you're not diddling around. I put a new coil on it too because it's the original one. It's 40-something years old. Let's fire it up. Fire in the hole. Good. Just let it run for a minute. Runs nice and smooth. This is all original. No one's really messed around with it. All original wiring. Everything's all original except we added the choke, we added the Holley. So I already run the wire inside for the choke. I just got to put a fusible link in, then I can get rid of my choke opener here. But it sounds pretty nice. I'll shut it off. Tomorrow I'm going to put the dwell meter on it. I'll double check, make sure the points are good, which they're pretty close. I'm almost positive they're fine. We'll do the timing first, set the points, adjust the carburetor, and put the choke wire on. It's a positive inside of the fuse box with key on. So we should be all set. So I just wanted to do a little video, show you it's running, how it sounds. This is a pretty decent little car. Did some front end stuff to it. That was a pain in the ass, but because it's all original front end, so you know how that goes. All right, well, have a great night. Over and out.